Where's Stephen A? Where's the most hated man in Dallas right now?
You want Stephen A out here?
Where is he? Stephen A, are you okay? Stephen A, come out. Oh, Lord.
Stephen A. Stephen A. Stephen A.
A mediocre team and big team.
Oh, there it is.
That's what makes this funny.
Right on cue.
How about the Cowboys? How about the Camels on the way? Somehow, when it counts, just what? They will let you down. They will let you down. Just wait. They will let you down. Just wait. Only one will throw the
What's up,
football.
yo?
You know what's coming next.
Hello.
Hi, my dear.
How y'all doing? How y'all doing?
You look good in your cowboy gear.
They showed up.
You know,
You asked and they showed up.
I told folks I would be here. Did I not tell y'all that? Did I not tell y'all that? Hey, by the way, do y'all like the boots?
You can't go back to Queens after this, Stephen A.
You know, it's beautiful to be here. I want to say thank y'all for having us. I'm looking forward to the Cowboys having a very successful regular season. And then going home like y'all always do. How do? How you do? How you do?